Hi, my name's Terrence Miller with Sign Doctor Sign Shop out of Hastings, Nebraska. I want to give a big shout out to Pitt's Recovery Service for what they did for my company and myself. A few months ago, I lost my computer external hard drive. It crashed down on the floor, and I took it to my local computer repair shop. They sent it off to Ontrack Recovery Service, and they were unable to recover any data off of it. I thought my 23 years of computer images, customer artwork, customer logos were gone. And then I found online Pitt's Recovery Service. I sent him an email. Kevin called me within the hour and said, hey, we can do it. So I sent him the hard drive, the crashed hard drive, and they were able to 100% recover my hard drive. Big shout out to those guys. They're awesome. Check them out. If anybody can do it, those guys are the ones to do it. That's Kevin. Give Kevin a call out at Pitt's Recovery Service. Thank you.